if you want to merge cells, it's always simple. You click on your table, you highlight. Let's say this is always the morning hour, and all schools always have morning devotion. You just say merge cell. In the morning, Monday, many subjects have to appear as double period. You just merge cells. So now we have, after many hours, we need break. So you need to have a serial break too. You say merge and center. Now you have this over here. Time to go. You merge the cells. So now after that, you could now start fishing. Let me apply a split cell here. I'm okay. Now you click here. You use arrowhead to separate what we are trying to achieve. Here you could see. You use this. You click here. You use this. Now you have time. You click here. You have time. So which means this is 7 0 to 8. No. 45 to 8. 0 student have to pray to God. From 8. From 8